So to another person, this looks like a dump site. But to us who do DIY, this is a perfect place to find whatever you need for your project. So this place is called Design Park. It's on Kangundo Road and it sells recycle things. So you can pick here your raw materials and then you go to recycle. Now from this place, I got these 2 drums. So they were a little bit dusty. So before I put them in the house, I had already wiped them. So these drums, I think they are for medicine or something. And then once the medicine is disposed, then we have them. So I'm gonna use these 2 fabrics to do today's project, which is to make an ottoman. So I start by straightening out the drum. It was a little bit crooked at the top. And then now I'll just go ahead and measure the top part and the bottom part. Like I'll just measure all around so that I have measurements to cut my fabric. Welcome to today's video if you're new, and if you're a returning subscriber, as always, asante sana for always coming back to watch my videos. Guys, please consider to like, to comment and to share this video out so that I can get this YouTube to recommend my videos to many more people. I'm feeling a little bit discouraged, but I know that yeah, we have to move on because I love doing this work. So now I'll cut out the inner and the outer fabric. I might not show the whole process of cutting, but you just have to like cut the exact measurement, and then you leave like a 1/4 inch for sewing. If you make it too big, it will be too loose inside and it won't look very aesthetically pleasing. So you just leave a small space and that is it. I get most of my fabrics for DIY from Think Twice shop because I relatively get bigger pieces at a low price. So the next step, we're gonna cut out a round shape from this cardboard, and we're going to use this in the drum, in the inner, outer, and also the inner side of the lid. So I always want to make sure that whatever I'm making is as durable as possible. And I find that layering up these cardboard boxes gives it a very nice effect. And then I'll cover the 2 pieces, the inner side and the outer side. I'll cover it with the fabric and then we'll attach them inside. So I won't glue it in because I feel like if a person wants to wash them, they can just remove the bottom layer, remove the fabric, wash, and then return it back. So I'm not going to glue both the inner and the outer fabric in. I'm just going to leave them like that for ease of washing in case it gets dirty. This is the outer fabric. We'll do the same just as we did the inner fabric. But I have to warn you guys that the outer fabric is quite a challenge to fit it in. So I will just sew one side of it, and I am like doing a double sew so that it doesn't get to like haitafunguka, and then I'm going to fold the outer part so that it looks, actually this is just for aesthetics when I fit it into the drum. and then we will go ahead and fit it in the drum. Fitting in this outer fabric is work. It is a little bit difficult as compared to the inner one. So you have to make sure that it is as tight as possible, and also you have to make sure that it is when you have finished, it has a smooth finish. So it will take you some time, but it is absolutely doable. Ilinikata makucha kadhaa, but yeah, we move regardless. This drum comes with this board on top. So this one is not cardboard. This is like a soft, they call them soft board, or they call them what? MDF. It's some kind of MDF board. So I'm going to just glue this fabric on the MDF board. Also, an alternative is to put a bladder in if you want to take it out to wash. It will be easier that way. And then I'll also cover now this inner part with just a piece of cardboard, also just to make it pleasing to look at. So now that is the cardboard that I am talking about. I'm going to just put it there, and notice that I have only put glue at the center. Yeah. And now you use that part to cover, and this is our baby. Like, now this is the finished product. It looks so nice. And guys, if you want me to make this one for you at only 2,300 shillings, I'll make it for you. You can choose a fabric that you want. You can choose, you can choose the color, and then I'll find the fabric and then make it for you. Alafu mmeona hiyo kazi yote kweli. And also just start to appreciate my work. Please comment, please like, and do not forget to share me out to your friends, so that I get more visibility on here. Yeah, and this is the other one. So I made 2 pieces of these guys. I am putting in this storage ottoman all my DIY stuff, and guys, this thing is big. I don't know if you can see, but the diameter is about 45 inches, and it is about 17.6 inches tall, so it's quite big. And everything that you saw there, if you watched my previous video for my house organization, everything fit in here, and it really looks nice. So guys, if you want to organize your toys, or you just have small items to organize, this is a perfect storage solution that you can consider. And just comment below or reach out to me. I think I'll leave my number so that I can make this for you. Thank you so much for watching this video and for always coming back to support me. May God bless you so much, and see you on my next video. Bye.